Starting your own business can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to dealing with all the legal aspects and paperwork. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify it all? In today's video, I'm diving deep into Zen Business, one of the best LLC formation services out there. I'll show you why Zen Business could be the game changer you need. We'll explore the ins and outs of LLCs, uncover their unique features, and weigh everything to see if it's the right fit for you. So, if you want to start your LLC with confidence and ease, then keep watching. Zen Business handles all the complicated stuff for you. They file your paperwork, help you stay compliant, and even offer additional services to make running your business easier. But here's the thing, choosing the right LLC service is super important. It can make or break your business in the long run. That's why in this video, we're going to compare Zen Business to other options out there. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Zen Business basics, what sets them apart? Now, let's dive into what makes Zen Business stand out from the crowd. You might be wondering, what's so special about this company? Well, it all started back in 2015 when a group of entrepreneurs in Texas had a simple but powerful idea: make starting a business easier for everyone. Zen Business isn't just another faceless corporation. Their mission is to empower the next generation of entrepreneurs by simplifying the whole LLC formation process. They've been there, done that, and now they're using their experience to help people like you and me. Now, one of the coolest things about Zen Business is that it's 100% online. No more driving around town, waiting in long lines, or dealing with mountains of paperwork. You can literally start your LLC from your couch. Imagine sitting in your PJs, sipping coffee, and setting up your dream business. That's the kind of convenience we're talking about. But here's where it gets really interesting. Zen Business offers 3 different plans to fit your needs and budget. They've got the free starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. I know what you're probably thinking. Wait, did you say free? Yep, I did. But don't worry, I'll break it down all the pricing details just in a second. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for that. Now, let me tell you about something that really sets Zen Business apart. It's called worry-free compliance, and it's a game changer for new business owners. Basically, it helps you avoid fines and legal issues by keeping your business compliant with state regulations. It's like having a personal assistant who makes sure you're always following the rules. You know how stressful it can be to keep track of all the legal requirements for your business, right? Well, with this feature, Zen Business takes that stress off your shoulders. They handle all the boring paperwork and remind you of important deadlines. It's like having a safety net for your business. But here's the thing, Zen Business isn't just about forming your LLC. They're all about making your life easier as a business owner. Their platform is super user-friendly, even if you're not tech savvy. They've got this interactive chat feature that guides you through the whole process. It's like having a knowledgeable friend helping you out every step of the way. Remember when I said earlier that starting a business can be overwhelming? Well, this feature is designed to take that fear away. It's perfect for first-time entrepreneurs who might be nervous about making mistakes. The chat feature explains everything in simple terms. No legal jargon or confusing business speak. It's like having a translator for all that complex business stuff. But what if you need more help? That's where Zen Business's customer support comes in. These guys are available for extended hours. We're talking Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and even on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's way more availability than a lot of other services out there. So if you're working on your business late at night or on the weekend, like many entrepreneurs do, help is just a phone call or a chat away. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds great, but what if I change my mind? Well, Zen Business has got you covered there too. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try their service without worrying about being stuck if it's not the right fit for you. It's like they're saying, we're so confident you will love our service, we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. This guarantee is a big deal because it takes away a lot of the risk committing to a service. You don't have to worry about being stuck if it turns out that Zen Business isn't the right fit for you. It gives you the freedom to really explore and use their services without that nagging worry in the back of your mind. Remember how I mentioned earlier that choosing the right LLC service is super important? Well, Zen Business really understands that. They're not just selling a service, they're partnering with you in your business journey. They've designed their platform and services to grow with your business from that exciting moment when you first form your LLC through all the challenges and successes that come after. Pricing breakdown. Is Zen Business really affordable? All right, let's talk money. We've covered the basics of Zen Business, but now it's time to break down their pricing. Is Zen Business really as affordable as they claim? Well, let's find out. First up, we've got the free starter plan. I know what you're probably thinking. Free sounds great, but hold on, there is more to it. With this plan, you only pay state fees, which vary depending on where you live. But here's the catch. If you want an EIN, that's an extra $99. An EIN is basically a social security number, but for your business. And trust me, you're probably going to need one. So while the free starter plan might seem tempting, it's not exactly free once you add in all the essentials. But don't worry, I've got some alternatives for you. Let's move on to the Pro plan. This one's priced at $199 annually, and it's where things start to get interesting. With this plan, you get expedited processing, which means your LLC gets set up faster. You also get an operating agreement, which is super important for defining how your business runs. But the real star of the show here is the worry-free compliance feature. Remember how I mentioned that earlier? This is where it comes into play. Zen Business will keep an eye on all those pesky state requirements for you, so you don't have to stress about missing important deadlines or filings. Now, you might be wondering how this stacks up against other LLC formation services. Well, without naming names, I can tell you that Zen Business's Pro plan is generally more affordable than many competitors' similar offerings. Plus, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck with that worry-free compliance feature. But wait, there is more. Let's talk about the premium plan. This one's priced at $349 annually, which might seem like a big jump, but hear me out. This plan includes some pretty cool extras. First off, you get website creation services. If you've ever tried to build a website from scratch, you know it can be a real headache. With this plan, Zen Business takes care of that for you. You also get a business email address, which looks way more professional than using your personal Gmail. Now, you might be asking yourself, are these features worth the extra cost? Well, that really depends on your specific needs. If you're planning to create a website anyway, and you want a professional email address, this could actually save you money in the long run. But if you're comfortable building your own site or you don't need one right away, you might be better off with the Pro plan. Here's something else that's pretty cool. Zen Business offers a $5 monthly business banking option. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to pay for a bank account? Well, this isn't just any bank account. It comes with some nifty features like expense tracking and tax tools. These tools can be a real game changer when it comes to managing your business finances. In fact, they could potentially save you a bundle on bookkeeping costs. How much exactly? Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about just in a second. Now, one thing I really appreciate about Zen Business is how flexible their pricing is. They've got these add-on services that let you customize your plan without having to upgrade to a higher tier. For example, if you want an operating agreement but don't need the full Pro plan, you can just add it for $99. Same goes for EIN filing. It's $99 as an add-on. This kind of flexibility is pretty rare in the LLC formation world. It means you're not forced into paying for services you don't need just to get the one thing you do want. Beyond formation, Zen Business's unique offerings. Alright, let's dive into some of Zen Business's unique offerings that really set them apart from other LLC formation services. Now you might be thinking, isn't forming an LLC pretty much the same everywhere? Well, not exactly. Zen Business goes above and beyond, especially when it comes to state-specific requirements. Take New York, for example. If you're starting a business in the Big Apple, you've got an extra hurdle to jump through. New York law requires new businesses to publish an advertisement in 2 newspapers for 6 weeks. Sounds like a hassle, right? Well, Zen Business has got you covered. They handle this whole process for you, from choosing the newspapers to obtaining the necessary affidavits as proof of publication. You just pay the state fees and advertising costs. It's a huge time saver and stress reliever for New York entrepreneurs. But Zen Business doesn't stop there. They've got this really cool service called the Business License Report. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need that? Trust me, you don't want to skip this one. This report tells you exactly which licenses and permits your business needs to operate legally. It's like having a professional guide through the maze of business regulations. Think about it. Without this report, you might miss a crucial license and end up facing fines or even having to shut down your business. Ouch. But with Zen Business, you're always in the loop. They keep you updated on any changes in licensing laws and even help you apply for or update your current licenses. It's like having a compliance expert on your team, making sure you're always on the right side of the law. The bottom line, is Zen Business right for you? All right, let's wrap this up. Zen Business is all about making your life easier as an entrepreneur. They're affordable, offer tons of services, and their platform is easy to use. Remember how we compared them to other LLC formation services? Zen Business really shines with their worry-free compliance feature and that cool business license report. But here's the thing, you need to think about what you really need. Zen Business lets you customize your plan with add-ons, so you're not paying for stuff you don't want. It's all about finding the right fit for your business and budget. So, are you ready to take the next step? If Zen Business sounds like it might be right for you, click the link in the description of this video. You can explore their plans and see how they can help simplify your business journey. Trust me, it's worth checking out. So, good luck with your LLC, and thank you so much for watching this video.